Kurt, I filmed this just for you. Yes, it is still snowing here. And this snow is very heavy. Very heavy. I slipped outside. So it's kind of slick too. And with the temperature, it's a pretty slippery day. I noticed the cars have kind of dwindled. I don't know how the roads are. But I wanted to film a little bit. I see the snow is sticking right to the trees. It's like a tree, couple inch popsicles. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Todd. Hi, Pat. Hi, Scott. Is it like that in Rochester, Todd? Wait, hello. Oh, you not letting the little Willow up? Come here, Smoky Willow. Come on. You can do it. Is Oopsie Daisy being is she being a bully? Apparently. Oopsie. No, it's heading your way and it's going to pick up over the Great Lakes. Isn't that wonderful? That's wonderful. The clothespins have like half an inch of snow on them. I just noticed that. How are the roads? Are the roads bad? Or are they good? The winds come and go here. Yeah. What do you think, guys? At least I don't have to worry about the snow or cutting the grass, right? Yeah, don't have to worry about cutting the grass. It's quite lovely. I thought it might be slick, Todd. I wondered. The cars were going by quite fast earlier. And then as I got out of the bath, I haven't been up to the front of the house and I haven't heard any cars go by. But the cats want to go outside. I should have filmed. Before I got in the bathtub, Pudding woke up and like ran to the front door to look out the window. And it was like he had a sad little kitty face. And then he just kind of plopped off the little bench I put in front of the door so he could peek out the window. And he just kind of went back to bed. It was like he was disappointed there was snow. It was adorable. He had this like, oh my God, I'm becoming a crazy cat lady. I am a crazy cat lady. Just some shoveling. Yeah. Willow, what is Willow doing? What is Willow? I'll show you over here. I love this tree. I love both of these trees. The snowflakes are nice and big. It makes you want to go lay on the snow and watch it come down. It's mesmerizing. I'm not crazy about the snow right now, but it is pretty. Oh, did you move? Are you being camera shy? Huh? You're a good girl. Yes, you are. You know, For being a baby, you require a lot of attention. Yes, you do. You require a lot of attention. How is Destiny's garage sale going? Is it spectacular? Yeah. Yeah. Smoky Willow. Smoky Willow. Are you my new pudding? Huh? Are you my new pudding? No one can replace Pudding Pop. I think Pudding is depressed now that he can't go outside. He is really upset. It's kind of funny. He's been getting up early and running to the door. And bless his little kitty heart, he was so upset when he saw the snow. He went back to the edge of my bed. And he's still there. He hasn't moved. So, hi, Jan. And I was just talking about Pudding. He was so excited to go outside this morning. And then he saw the snow and he was like, he had this sad little kitty face. Yeah, I thought she was getting ready for a garage sale or having one. I just inboxed her. So she hasn't inboxed it back, so I don't know if she still had it. And I found that Amish store. Aw. Bye, Jan. Love you. I found that Amish discount store that I have been looking for since I moved here, since the Amishmen told me about it. And it is pretty awesome. I must say, it did not disappoint. I would have to say the prices are even better than the ones in Osanique, right down the road from Alpena. Hi, Eric. I'm in Spring Grove, Minnesota. Yeah, can you imagine? There was no snow, there was nothing, and it was like 60 degrees out. And then within a matter of 30 minutes, this happened. And it hasn't stopped. Big, heavy snowflakes. And this sidewalk is all full again. You two, be careful and have fun. Yes, it's snowing. It is snowing. Rub it in. That is, yeah, it's, I don't know the temperature here, but it's not as warm as Florida, my dear. This should remind you of old college days. I know it's almost May. I don't know if you remember when it snowed on Mackinac Island Memorial Day weekend when we were up at the Grand, when Dad had the class up there. I remember that. It was the strangest May. We had snowsuits. That was kind of a strange Memorial Day because it snowed. Yeah, it would definitely remind you of that because the winds are like that, and like they were in Huron. That's what the winds are like in Minnesota. Oh, hold on, somebody. Hi, Karen. How are you? Enjoying, is it warm there? Bye, Todd. Yeah, I know. This is just the backyard. I haven't made it up to the front. I thought I'd film out my back window because I just couldn't believe that there was actually snow. And I raked half the yard but I haven't raked the other half. Oh, Pudding finally came up. He was pouting. He ran to the front door to want to go. He wanted to go outside, and he was so upset. He came back and laid on the edge of the bed, and he hasn't moved. And I see my Puddin' Pup has moved, huh? Right? Yeah, you're a good boy. Look at these huge snowflakes. They're really huge. And the wind is blowing and the snow is not coming off the trees. I filmed the flooding yesterday with my friend that I have to, what is that? That I have to download. But yeah, I'm sorry. I hear a noise like tin banging, but I cannot figure out where it's coming from. And when I was raking the side of the yard, I was also looking to see what would make that noise. But anyways, this is just a quick little filming of the beautiful snow. Let me see. There. It's just coming down. Hi, Willow. Hi, Puddin'. What you doing, Willow? Willow? Smoky Willow, what are you doing? You want to see what Pudding's doing? Because you have to do what Pudding's doing? Are you a copycat? Are you a copycat? You're a nosy cat. You're almost more nosier than Pudding. I thought Pudding was nosy. But I'm guessing that you're right up there with being nosy. I think that view is really pretty. That's why I enlarged it. It kind of reminds me of like a little snow globe. When you shake it, the big snowflakes that come down. What do you think, Pudding? Hi, Daniel. Hi, Thomas. Yeah. I can't believe it's snowing. I really can't. When I looked back here, it wasn't this much. And then when I came back again, there was this much. It is beautiful. It is very pretty. What do you think, Willow? What do you think? Hi, Sean. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Are you gonna be nosy kitty? Are you gonna be nosy kitty? But it is awfully mesmerizing. It's quite pretty. I feel bad for the raspberries because they've already started to bud and now they have the snow on them. I hope they're gonna be okay. I think the walnut tree or the chestnut tree hasn't had any buds yet. Willow, What are you doing? Yeah, I am. It is quite pretty. Just watching it. And then we'll have heat. Hot, hot, hot. Right. I remember snow all the way into Memorial Day in May. Going to the Grand Hotel, and the pool was opened, and then it was kind of closed, but then it was opened again because, I don't know, they didn't expect snow. What do you think? What do you think? Put in what you did. Yep, I'm becoming a crazy cat lady. Talking to my cats. Oh, am I a crazy cat lady? Do you love your crazy cat lady, Mama? No response. Squeaky mouse silence. Ha ha ha. One day, if you ever laugh at my jokes, oh my gosh, I will just drive myself to the emergency room. Yes, so please never really answer me. So yes, this is my bedroom view. I was just thinking how pretty the snowflakes look. They're so big, and they're wet, and they're heavy. I'll do a little bit in the front. I'll film. I left my boots in the Suburban. Probably should have grabbed those. So, all right, I'm going to head off. I have to put some moisturizer on. And I will talk to you guys in a bit. All right, bye. Again, this is Spring Grove, Minnesota.